What's good? What's good? Welcome once again to this quick video. And this video, I'm going to quickly talk about Sway Chat Pro once again. The previous videos I released on the Sway Chat Pro got a lot of good comments from a lot of people, and also I got a couple of questions. People were asking about how to use the trade management features of those who are trading who do not know how to close their trade, manage their trade, or take partial profits, use the break even. This is simply how you do it. It's very easy for you to manage your trade, very easy as ABC. So the first thing is for you to have access to this platform, the Sway Chart Pro, you need to be a client of Sway Markets, that is the forex broker, or Sway Funded, which is the prop firm. So you must have an account with any of these platforms, the Sway Markets or the Sway Funded, for you to have access to the Sway Chart Pro. So let us log in. I have about 3 accounts on this platform. So I'm just quickly going to log into one of these accounts. Let's log into this. And one of the cool features of this platform, as you can see, you can customize everything. You can customize literally everything. So when you have something like this, this is one of the trade I was in before the market closed. So let's make this a full screen. So let's set this, if this is now in full screen. So in this trade right here, the first thing you let's close this out. Let's delete this. So I have a trade right here, and in this trade you would notice this is an active trade. The market is closed right now, but before the market closed, this trade was in profit, but I plan to hold this trade a little longer, right? So which means my ultimate TP has not been hit. My TP is all the way down here. As you can see here, this is my TP in this very trade, but my entry is somewhere around here. So all I need to do is, if you want to close your trade, right? You want to close your trade, all you need to do is come right here and click on that very option. You can click right there, or you right click. You can right click or left click, whatever. You would get this option right here. And this is going to help you to manage your trade. So if you are in a trade, you can have, if I click this right here, it's going to close the trade completely, right? And you also have options to do a partial close. So if you want to close the portion of your trade, for example, you have one standard right there. So if you want to close about 50% of the one standard, you simply click on 50%. So when you click on 50%, it's going to close the portion of your profit, right? So this is simply how to take partial profits. If you want to take partial profit on your active trade, you simply come here and click on the percent, or you simply type the lot right here, and it's going to close a portion of your trade. That is simply how to use that. So if you have one standard and you do 50% close, it's going to close 0.50 lots profit on your account, right? Which means you would have 0.50 lot open position. That is simply how to use the partial close. And you also have your view or edit. So if you want to edit your stop loss or your TP, you simply click on that, and you can use it to edit your stop loss price or your TP price. So, and the cool thing about this is that you can select, you can set this very easy. You can set these features by using the price. You may set it also by using the pips. So instead of looking for the price, you can simply set your pips. So you can, if you're looking at 50 pips, you simply type it right there. You can set these TPs and stop loss with any of these, right? It makes it very easy for you to understand your risk management. So you can set by pips, by price, by percentage of your equity, by percentage of balance, cash risk, and all of this. You can play around these things to see how they work. I've already explained these features in the previous video, so you may as well check the previous video to see how to do that. So let's look at the other features on your trade management. So the other one is break-even exits, right? So the break-even exit is simply a one-click feature whereby if you're in a trade and you want to set your trade to become risk-free, right? You want to bring your stop loss to break-even. All you need to do is to right-click or to click on your trade on your chart, right? This is the trade. You simply click on it, and then you go on to break-even exit. When you click on break-even exit, your stop loss would be brought to your entry price, right? Which means you have zero risk in this trade. So that is exactly what I did right here. So okay, I'm able to do that. So break-even exit, let's go on it one more time. So break-even exit, all I need to do here is to click on my trade and then right-click on it and click on break-even exit. As simple as that. So the stop loss will be brought to my entry price, and it means I have no risk on that very trade. That is what it means with the break-even exit. So you have this other feature right here, which is the GU. When you look at this here, if you want to close every trade on pound USD, you simply click on close all trades and all orders on pound USD. If you are hedging, if you are reversed, you can also play around with all this. So if you have multiple positions on pound USD, you can simply come here and close all the trades at once. So that is simply how to close your trade when you trade on the Sway Chart Pro platform. That is simply how you can close your trades. And your TP also, you can play around your TP. You can move it around as you wish. If you want to extend it, you can move it around simply as this, and it's going to update right there, and you click on change and it would be updated for you. The same thing applies to stop loss. You can move it around. So when you move your stop loss around, you will be able to set it whatever you want. That is simply how easy it is to set your stop loss and your TPs in this market. But right now, like I said, okay, let's try this. So this was a trade from Friday. I had 0.85 on this trade. I closed out 50%, somewhere around here. I closed out a portion of the trade and left 0.35 to hold over the weekend, right? So that is really why I have this position right now. So that is really how to manage your trade when you are trading on the Sway Chart Pro platform. And to close your trade, it is actually very easy. Like I said, you right-click on it and then you click on close. And if you close, the full trade will be closed immediately, right? And if you want to do other things, you are able to close. We have the partial close. You have if you want to set your stop loss or your TP, you can set it from these places, or you simply set it right from the chart. As simple as that. And also, if you want to do a break-even exit, you can come here and you can do a break-even exit. You may also play around this a lot more as you wish, right? So that is really how to manage your trade. If you have trade on Sway Chart Pro, it's actually very, very easy. So the previous videos I talked about how to do your analysis, how to use the tools on this platform. You have several tools, a lot of features on this platform that you can use for your analysis. So you can check the previous videos on how to use the Sway Chart Pro on this channel, and you would find everything concerning this platform. So this is just an update on that for those who are trading who do not know how to close their trade, manage their trade, or take partial profits, use the break-even. This is simply how you do it. And the same thing applies if you are on the mobile platform as well. If you're on the mobile, the same thing applies. Nothing changes. You simply click on the order and you are able to do everything else you want to do. As simple as that. That would be it on this session. If you learned something on this session, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates.